Today we're going to be going over how to reassemble the secondary stem lock. We recently had a question. A customer reached out to us and was doing some maintenance on their bike, and they were taking their bike apart, and they actually inadvertently took this button apart. It looks like an Allen 3mm Allen fitting would go inside there, and it does. It's not a screw though, it is a button. You push it in, you do not twist it. But unfortunately, you know, it was twisted, it came unthreaded. So in this video, like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how to reassemble everything in here. If your secondary stem lock happened to have disassembled for whatever reason, there should be 3 pieces. And in this still image right here, you'll see the 3 pieces that you should have. If you've lost any of those pieces, please reach out to us to see if we can ship you out one. Now, I've got those 3 pieces in my hand, and I'm going to put them back in the order. Basically, the spring goes on this button here, and then you'll see I've got another smaller Allen that I'm going to use to help, just like another finger to help hold the piece while I slide it into place here. And this tab that I'm pointing to right here should go into the hole that's off to the side, and you can see it's now sticking out of the hole right there, okay? Now, in this hole here, I'm just going to insert the button and make sure it lines up with the hole that's in this little silver piece, and then just thread it. And you'll notice there's a little bit of blue on the thread right here. That's a little bit of Loctite. You might want to put a little bit of Loctite if yours did fall out, whether it's because of vibration or something like that. Just to make sure it doesn't loosen up again on you. And then I'm going to take my Allen and just give it a final little twist to tighten it up. And then just give it a little test. Make sure it holds the lever in place. You heard that snap. I'm going to push the button to unlock it, just like that. And we're good.